Good day, viewers. Once again, God bless you. To all my first time channel visitors, I want to welcome you into this family, and I say may God bless you as you join us. Please, as you watch the video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this video. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for being there, for all your comments, your encouragement, and your contributions. I want to say thank you. Today again, I am going to be talking about a particular topic I titled, very important topic that you will like to hear. Stay tuned as we proceed. Spiritual benefits of Bayleaf that can suddenly turn your life around. Yes, I'll be talking about a kitchen cooking spice. It's a popular spice called Bayleaf. The benefits are highly enormous. I am telling you. God indeed has blessed mankind with several natural things, several plants that gives us health benefits, spiritual benefits in several ways. Just that many of us don't pay attention to this. But I want to tell you, today I am bringing you a bountiful, interesting ideas on this particular wonder leaf. Bayleaf is an important leaf that because I wouldn't like to waste your time, I want to go straight to the point and discuss these topics onto us. Bayleaf, number one, is a plant that has an attraction power. There is a property of attraction. It has the energy to draw things. It has the energy to manifest things. So, one, it is used for drawing wealth. Bayleaf is used to draw money. Two, Bayleaf is used as a cleansing agent, spiritual cleansing agent. You burn Bayleaf in your house, it detoxifies the house of negative energies. Yes. Bayleaf is also used to remove stress. How do you use it to remove stress? After the day's job and you're tired and you're stressed up, just get some chunks of bay leaves, boil it, and just take a cup and boom, the stress is gone. You feel renewed, you feel relieved. Bayleaf is also used to expel nightmares and evil dreams. How do you use Bayleaf in that form? At night before going to bed, pray with Bayleaf and write whatever your intentions are on it, expelling evil dreams, and burn it. Then go to bed and sleep. Bayleaf is also used in making prosperity oil. Yes, if you watched my video on how to make your own breakthrough and prosperity oil, you will see Bayleaf was used in the making of the oil. So I will advise you go back to that particular video and see how you can make your own prosperity and breakthrough oil using bay leaves. Bayleaf is a plant that is used for wish getting. You wish for abundance, you wish for money, you wish for anything good in life. Just take your pen and get a piece or a bay leaf. This is bay leaf. Let me show you. This is bay leaf. It's normally used to cook rice, jollof rice by women that are good in the kitchen. It's a very nice and beautiful spice. So what you do is on your bay leaf, just write whatever your wish is and burn it with faith after you have prayed over it. And forget it. Before you know it, the wish will come to pass. The bay leaf. You can also use bay leaf to cleanse your body. How do you do that? You get some chunks of bay leaf, put it in a bucket of water, fill it with water, keep it for some days. Let the property and the energy of the bay leaf enter inside the water, then use it to bathe. It will detoxify your body of every negative attraction. Every negative energies and vibes you have attracted, it will wash them away. And it will open doors for good things to begin to manifest into your life. Still talking on the bay leaf. Bay leaf can be mixed with cinnamon for enhancing love in a relationship. Yes, you can use it for love enhancement. Maybe somebody is just hating you for nothing, and you have tried every manner of things to make sure that the relationship is fine and good, and the person is just trying to keep you off, and you're so much in love with that person. Just get a leaf of bay leaf, write the name of that person on the bay leaf, write your good intention towards that person concerning you on the bay leaf, and boom, burn it with lighter. And before you know it, the hard-heartedness of his heart concerning you will melt away. Bay leaf always work with the element of fire. And that is why you always burn it, to send the energy into the universe, to attract and manifest that which you actually want to manifest. Here I'll be drawing the curtain at this juncture for today. And I believe you've been able to learn one or two things concerning the bay leaves. But in my next video, I will be doing a video on 5 ways to use bay leaf to manifest prosperity, wealth, and riches. So that is coming soon. Till then, please, I would want you to check out on my other videos, write down your comments, ask your questions, and I will be readily available to answer your questions. And please do share this video, like the video, subscribe. You may be helping somebody out there. No knowledge is a waste. Try these methods, try these spiritual assignments, and you will come back to testify. And I'll be glad to celebrate your testimony. If you would want to call me one-on-one, my phone number remains +234 813 134 3627. I hope you remain good. I hope you get your intentions granted unto you as you enter into this spiritual terrain of using natural resources to manifest spiritual things into physical beings. God bless you till we meet again. I love you.